I'm Bill Michael, and today we're going to be talking about one of the most significant advancements in marine steering system in years. The new master drive system from Uflex and Uflex is so unique because it allows the captain to dial in the performance of the steering system in exact accordance with the conditions of the boat. So whether trolling, cruising, or high-performance boating, the captain is always going to enjoy fingertip operation of the steering system at the same time as minimizing the power consumption from the power steering system on the boat. Utilizing the innovative and patented keypad, the boat driver can select various performance modes as well as turn the system on or off. In fishing mode, when the boat is trolling, the system draws a mere 2 amps on average, while in cruising mode, the system draws between 2 and 7 amps with a minimal 5 amp average. And in peak performance mode, also known as master drive, the system draws between 2 and 11 amps with an average of only 6 amps. This tactile keypad has a quick connect wiring harness and also features a visual oil alarm and backlit lighting for day or nighttime use. Steering helms are available in front mount or 5-position tilt helm configurations in 32cc for single engines and in 40cc for dual cylinder installations. These helms allow for full manual hydraulic steering in the event of a power loss, and they are a perfect fit for any of the stylized steering wheel options from Uflex and Uflex. The ultra-quiet 12-volt DC power unit can be mounted vertically or horizontally and features a transparent tank for visual oil level inspection. IP67 waterproof and ignition protected, the power unit can be mounted in the most ideal location according to the installer's preference. Coupled with the Silver Steer high-performance steering cylinders, the Master Drive system delivers responsive steering in the most demanding conditions. Constructed of heavy-duty, electropolished stainless steel and anodized aluminum, these SVS cylinders are built to last. A universal design and adjustable Boss-style fittings also allow for quick and easy installation. Get sports car handling for your boat with the innovative and performance-driven Master Drive and Power A from Uflex and Uflex. Hi, I'm Bill Michael, and I'm very proud today to introduce the exciting new Power A electronic control system from Uflex and Uflex. What makes this system so exciting is it's the most responsive system in the industry, and it's also the easiest to install and program. As you can see, the control is very precise in capturing the most subtle movement of the throttle levers, but it is also very fast in response to quick movements of the throttle, making the system very intuitive for first-time users. Gone are the days of having to learn to deal with the delayed responses that are so common in competing systems. Equally appealing to the performance of the Power A is the ease of installation. Using this liquid crystal display and menu-driven programming module, which is an onboard component of the system, the installer can quickly and accurately perform the initial system setup. For example, the first screen asks me how many engines. I'll select 1. Then it asks which acceleration curve I prefer. I have 4 different response ratios between the position of the lever and the amount of output from the actuators to choose from. I'll choose the curve that's most optimal for my engine and boat package, whether gas, diesel, outboard, 2-stroke or 4-stroke. Then I'll press save and exit. The next component in the system is the shift actuator. I'll select the forward stroke setting by simply rolling out the stroke using the keypad. Once set, I'll hit OK and move to the neutral setting, and finally the reverse setting. After hitting save and exit, I'll go to the throttle actuator settings, which has the same programming process as the shift actuator that we just programmed. Once hitting save and exit, I have effectively completed the system setup. If I've made any errors in programming, or if I ever have any future operational issues, I can simply go to the liquid crystal display to tell me specifically which component needs attention. No more looking for flashing lights and listening to alarm sequence codes for programming or troubleshooting, which is a standard for competing systems. This can literally save hours of installation labor. Installation of the components is also simplified. The components are very compact in size, and using fitting matched and color-coded wiring, it is virtually impossible to connect the wrong cable into the wrong component. All components daisy chain to each other, and the last actuator in the chain has a single communication cable that goes to the programming module. That same type of cable goes from the programming module to the first control head. Additional station installation requires only one cable that will carry the power and all communication signals for all features of the system, even for multiple engines. Other standard features of the Power A include programmable high idle, docking mode, which limits the peak throttle output for safe docking, automatic synchronization, and warm-up. The system also has manual override capability by quickly dismounting the cable from the actuator using a quick pin and installing a T-handle to actuate the cables. For more information on the exciting new Power A electronic control system, please visit us online. Quality, durability, and performance define the new trim tabs from Uflex. Trim tabs are a great way to dial in the performance of your boat while providing maximum passenger comfort in dynamic sea conditions. The innovative joystick of the Uflex tab system makes adjusting the position of the boat more intuitive than traditional rocker switches. When the boat becomes out of balance from port or starboard due to windage or weight transfer, you can quickly realign the boat with a simple push on the joystick. Because both trim actuators move simultaneously in opposite directions when pushing the joystick to port or to starboard, the boat realigns more quickly. Pushing the stick up or down moves both tabs in the same direction, which changes the attitude of the boat bow up or bow down. The unique profile of the electropolished stainless steel tabs provides a more positive response and stern lift for higher efficiency. These tabs will not only get you on plane quicker, but will help keep the boat on plane with lower engine RPMs. They are available in 9x9, 12x9, 12x12, and 18x12 inch dimensions. The IP68 rated triple sealed 12-volt electromechanical actuators from Uflex provide an extra measure of resistance to water intrusion. The exclusive rubber boot keeps sea growth and high pressure water from reaching the internal primary seals, adding to the longevity of the actuators. Available in black or white, the one-piece composite actuator housing also reduces the possibility of water intrusion. Optional sacrificial anodes are available to neutralize galvanic currents. The planetary gearbox of the actuator provides high efficiency and low amperage consumption, and the tempered stainless steel ball screw gives peak resistance to impact and high torque loads. The patented snap-in actuator provides for a clean rigging job, abrasion-resistant routing of electrical wires, and minimizes the number of holes required in the transom. An optional kit allows for a direct retrofit to Bennett hydraulic rams. The auto lineup feature automatically raises the tabs after the control is placed in the neutral position to avoid damage during haulouts or while trailering. Uflex trim tabs come in descriptive retail-oriented packaging for in-store point-of-sale opportunities. For more information on the Uflex trim tabs and many other exciting products, visit us at www.uflexusa.com.